Chigali, Mr. Rebel Stiller, Mr. Tony Barlongo, I want you to be beside us as we induct the new officers, because you are with us in spirit every day. This will be a historic move for us to have our past presidents with us, Chigali, Tony, and Mr. Gil Mislan. Is Mr. Peter the Bengal in the room? He's supposed to.
Ano na, strangers?
Anyway, thank you. So, Mr. Past President,
Video. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Darling.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day for both of you. For all of you. Yeah.
I'd like to call the
Yeah.
2014 Board of Directors.
Okay.
Like I said earlier, I would like for you to stand right over here when I call your name. I'd like to bring up Lina Cabal,
Kuha na.
Vice Chairman. Renee Ferrer, Secretary.
Kuha na.
David Scotia, Nelly Madrid, Nino Serralde, Nino Carihan, Kelly Farina, and also Chairman Nelly B. Soriano. Ladies, are you just stand right there, everybody, so we can keep everyone in order? All right.
650. Ngayon,
Line up as I called you, okay? Now,
48,000
for the officers for 2014, 2015,
late payment.
Nino Carinal, Executive Vice President. Roger Cabal, Vice President Chairman. Please stand over on this side, on the left side. Marites Bautista, Vice President. Oscar Camacho, Vice President. Claro Rico, Vice President.
Gawin na ba yan?
Wala pa.
Perlita Racine, Vice President. Ray Rodrigo.
Hey! There you go.
Denise Soriano, Recording Secretary. Juliet Guzman, Corresponding Secretary. Julie Estrada, Alternate Secretary. Gilda N. De La Cruz, Treasurer. Erlinda Hortaliza, Assistant Treasurer. Elizabeth Garcia, Auditor. Arsenio Valencerina, Auditor. Noemi V. Dulao, Public Relations Officer. Josefina Etrara, Public Relations Officer. Lito De Vera, Business Manager. Cecilia Dinantes, Business Manager. Leoncio Dulao, Marshall. Abe Velasco, Marshall. And now I'd like to call on the 2014 Constitutional Committee Chairs. Nandi Soriano, Finance. Tony Barlongo, Ways and Means. Dom De La Cruz, Community Relations. Bon Soriano, yeah, that's me. I'm just kidding. Youth and Hospitality. Jojo Berganza, Special Events. Lydia Serralde, Scholarship. Nieves Coquia, Membership. Danny Nino, Communications Director. Bart Garcia, Accounting Consultant. Mel Oceano, Legal Counsel. Julius Sinao, Webmaster. Mike Mandamba, Photography. And Alyssa Soto, Miss PBUSA 2014-2015. Now I'd like to, well, he's already up here. I'd like to call on Vice Governor Ferdinand Kalimlim Jr. And again, I like saying that name, by the way. Conduct the officer.
Mr. President, where are you going?
To our newly elected officers, in front of all your members, kindly raise your right hand and follow after me. I state your name. Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of, state your office and position, of the Pangasinan Brotherhood USA Incorporated, and will do to the best of my ability serve as a living example of this organization's philosophy and beliefs. So help me God. Congratulations. A round of applause, please, for our newly elected officers. And for the pictures, if you don't mind, can we do what we do in Pangasinan and then show the #1 sign? Because Pangasinan is always #1 in our hearts. Can we do that?
Number one. All officers remain where you are, and the Vice Governor will lead us with a song. Okay? I'm serious, he's going to lead us with a song. And the held-up bands, can you please be on standby? So after this, we're going to be gung-ho all the way this evening. Okay?
Before we sing, are we gonna sing now? Can we ask also the other members of the delegation, Mayor Resuello, Board Member Nino Arboleda, Mr. Art Soriano, and Director Modingo Peranya to join us here in front for the singing. Art, join us here.
Can you lead us with Marita Taylabi? All right, everybody, it's time to rock and roll. Mr. Tony Roma and Mr. Ray Rodrigo, please start the dance and let's get rolling.
Ano, katuluhan na ka. Sumeli na.
Hindi, pagaw tayo, dapat din sa amin.
Esther.
The 31st. But she stayed with me in time of sufferings. But all we did for you and for Pangasinan is all for the people. That's all. So, salamat kayo. You want me to read it? You see, anyway, I have to tell you a secret today. You know,
Oh, Mother's Day.
we were in the men's bathroom, and And I don't know with the gentleman, we had some difficulty getting some water. Did you notice that?
That's me.
Oh, yes, yes, ma'am. Daddy, we had a problem, right?
You're the one who has the problem.
Get the water out of the faucet. So finally, we were thinking with Daddy, there's got to be a way. So I said, the guy said, why don't you remember your wife? I said, why do you have to remember your wife? I tried to figure why, and he said that to me, and he said, all I did was put my hands on the faucet, and he said, Daddy told me, Eddie, put it lower. Ladies, the rest is history, figure it out. But that was thank you. I'll take this on your behalf. Ask me to go beyond that. Thank you. So, I think, is DJ that? Is the band ready?
Yeah.
Is the hilltop band ready?
Oh, hilltop rin.
I'm saying the scriptures, cause I live only like a prayer in the temple. I prove the letter of repentance, that might hold mission, feel like a kitchen. Take a damn life, cause you got a history. And all day, I can think about these issues. Get up.